Hello, just wanted to pop on here for a quick intro to this video. I did an apartment tour of my East Village apartment about 2 years ago now, and that video did amazing. So I thought maybe you all would want to see my new space. So we are living in Williamsburg, Brooklyn now. We love our building. It's like a full amenities building with a gym, doorman, and everything. And so major upgrade from my last place. That was just like a 5th floor walk up. We had a potential drug dealer living across the hall from us. So very, very happy with the current living situation. And the only reason we are leaving is because we're about to move to San Francisco. So we're super excited about that move, but just wanted to kind of make a video to commemorate our first space together. That last unit I lived in alone, and then Steven moved in after I'd been there for about half a year. So this one actually feels like both of ours, and we just love it so much. So yeah, check out the video and let me know if you have any questions at all. Welcome to our apartment. Come on in. So this is our gorgeous apartment in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. We moved here 2 years ago after our East Village apartment. I know I mentioned this in the intro, but we have another video on that if you want to go ahead and watch that. If there's anything I don't mention in this video, I'm sure I mentioned it in that one. So starting right off, we have our beautiful kitchen. Love this kitchen. It's such a good size for both of us to be in here, cooking and chopping, and just great counter space. Then right behind that is this great island with 4 breakfast stools, so we can sit there and have friends over, and they tuck right in really nice to create a good walkway. And right here is our living room. Love this gorgeous chair. I actually picked this up off the street. And then a lot of this is, again, familiar from our other place. Our beautiful blue couch we have to part ways with soon because we're moving to San Francisco, but she will be dearly missed. And then right around here is Steven's office area. He's got a great big desk next to our beautiful new bookshelf. We had to upgrade our bookshelf because our book collection got too big, so not a bad problem to have. And then I'm loving our happy little birds of paradise. She's been thriving here for about a year now. Then right out there is our lovely balcony. We like to drink our coffee there in the morning or sometimes eat dinner out there. And we are right on the courtyard of our apartment building, which is actually super nice because it's very quiet. You know, living in New York City, there is a lot of street noises, so cute and cozy, little zen garden down there. And yeah, just really nice to keep it calm vibes in here. So next we'll move right on into the bedroom. So here is our bedroom. Again, a lot of the same furniture as that other apartment. This is new. This bench is from IKEA. It's great because it's got a little storage in there for our sheets when we're not using them and stuff like that, and perfect to sit down, put your shoes on. Then we have our beautiful big closet. I'm not gonna open it because it's a little bit messy right now, but we went from having a closet, like sharing a closet that was about this big, and then we had a clothes rack too to like supplement storage, but this holds it all. And we actually have 2 more closets. We have a coat closet and a utilities closet. So major upgrade from our previous lifestyle. And then right off the bedroom here is our great bathroom. It is nothing huge, but it is so nice. Honestly, the shower feels like you're in a hotel, and it's got this beautiful, I don't even know what to call that sink. It's like a design feature in its own. But honestly, that's it. It's not huge, but we are obsessed with it, and we will definitely miss living here. All right, thank you so much for coming. I hope you liked this tour and loved our apartment as much as we do. If there's anything you see that you have questions on, go ahead and comment down below, and I will be happy to answer anything. But bye for now.